Right now, your workspace may be looking a little empty, but not for much longer. It's time to invite your team to join you in Intercom. Head to your settings here, choose Teammates, then click on Add New to choose who you'd like to invite. If you have lots of teammates to invite, select Import Teammates to add them using a CSV file formatted like this. At minimum, you'll need a column for the teammate's name and one for their email address. Or if you just have a handful, go to Add New and select Add New Teammates and add them individually. Then you get to set which parts of Intercom each of these teammates can access. Every teammate requires a seat to participate. A full seat provides complete access, which you can tailor over here. It's the best option for your teammates working daily in Intercom like your support team. For those involved in cross-functional collaboration, such as finance or legal teams, light seats offer a more streamlined experience with restricted permissions tailored to their specific roles, and you have a certain amount to assign depending on your plan. For these teammates on our support team, we want a full seat, and there are lots of options to choose from over here so you can fully tailor permissions for each teammate. You should always have at least one admin with permission to manage other teammates and permissions so they can control access for the rest of the team. You can also assign permissions using roles, which help you to set up access in a consistent way. We'll look at roles more closely in another lesson. Let's set permissions that are appropriate for the teammates we're inviting now. Access to Fin AI Copilot to help support customers. I want them to see only conversations assigned to them or their team, and some limited permissions for managing settings. And once you're ready, send the invite by clicking here. Confirm the additional seats you need, and here's the list of invitees, and we're just waiting for them to accept the invite link that's been sent to their email address. When a teammate accepts their invitation, you should ask them to complete a couple of quick steps to ensure they're ready to start supporting your customers. Ask them to click on their empty profile picture in the lower left corner, go to your account, and add a profile picture so customers will be able to see who they're speaking to. And to go to notifications to set their preferences. Email notifications ensure they never miss a message. Desktop notifications are useful if your teammates often work in tools other than Intercom. And mobile notifications are great if they're often on the move. The types of notifications your team enables should align with your specific needs, and be mindful not to overwhelm them with too many alerts that may not be relevant or useful to them.